Alright, I think I'll just pour myself a nice cold glass of milk. Oh, hey everyone! Hi there, I'm Mr. Etzel, foods teacher at Clyde Creek Middle School. Just getting ready to pour myself a nice cold glass of milk. And you know what would go really good with milk? Chocolate chip cookies. But you know what? I don't have that much time. But hey, let's make some chocolate chip cookies in the microwave. Let's talk equipment. You will need a standard coffee mug. This one I'm using here is about a 10 to 12 ounce coffee mug, so pretty good size. And you'll need a fork, or if you have a small whisk, you can use that as well. Okay, first thing, we're gonna dump in our butter. It's a little bit melted, so it's a little bit more than room temperature. It's pretty soft. That's gonna be pretty good there. All right, next we're gonna dump in our brown sugar. Dump that in there, and I'm going to use my fork, start creaming that together really nicely. Next, I'm going to add in our vanilla and our egg. Next, we are going to add in our flour, incorporate that in there. I'm going to stir gently because I don't want too much gluten to develop, just enough gluten to where you're going to have a chewy chocolate chip cookie consistency, but I don't want it so chewy that I can't chew through it. Okay, now it's time to put it in the microwave. Now with anything that you're using in the microwave, make sure you cover it, either with a microwave safe cover or a paper towel or a napkin. I'm going to put this in the microwave for 60 seconds on medium power. So if your microwave goes from 0 to 10, probably about a 5 or a 6. So I'm going to adjust my power level.